this is just another very quick update. This is quite shocking. This is actually 2 days in a row I've made progress, which is kind of unheard of. So I'll give you a quick look at what's going on. So obviously we're talking about the old Zac, and what was happening yesterday, it was powering up, playing. We had the low power on the bottom left bumper, no lights, and the kick-out wasn't working. So that's where we were yesterday. See if we can actually get this in some sort of viewable position. Okay, so it's still powering on, which is good. Obviously the resets on the coin return, we've got a score up there of 200,000, and that's resetting, which is cool. Okay, so let's have a look. And that's what I wanted to show you. The kick-out's finally working at the top, which was... There you go. So progress is being made, which is really cool. Come on, in you go. Aww. Okay, so that's a little bit of progress this morning. Obviously the lights still aren't working, need to work on that. This bottom left flipper is still definitely underpowered. When the game's turning on and when it's resetting, it's not resetting the credit reel, from what I can see, and when a ball's drained, it's not taking the balls down. So essentially when you turn it on, you're playing an infinite game. So there's obviously something's not happening between the main body and the head, but it's obviously not just a complete Jones plug because the scores are racking up. So further investigation is needed on that front, but we are making forward progress. So let's just reset this again. Power on underneath. We'll have a quick look at some of these scores. So obviously I'm at all zeros. So we had the kick out working. So that should be 50,000. 50,000, excellent. And both these lanes are 50. That's working. That's working. 100,000 for this rollover. That's working. 50 for this lane. What's that, 50? That's doing 10. When lit. So 10 normally when lit. What else have we got? We've got 50 down here, which is working. 10 on the inside lane, which is working. 10 on this lane, that's working. 50 on that outside lane, which is working. What else have we got? I'm not sure what the pop pumps are meant to be worth. Okay, that's 1,000. That one's kicking 1,000 as well. That's hurting. And I think this is 100 per spin. So. Yeah. So that's working. Now unfortunately I can't test any more of the scores for like the special bonus when lit. Can't do that because obviously I can't tell when it's lit because the lights aren't working. These drop targets are going for 1,000 each, and then the bank is resetting, which is cool. I think that's all the rollovers done. There's these 2 targets in here. I'm not entirely sure. I'm assuming that these are also 50k. No, 10. Not sure if that's right. Let's look at that one. Yeah, these 2 targets are both 10,000. I'll have to double check on that. But yeah, that's this morning's progress. 2 days in a row made progress. That's a record for me. I'm thanking coffee. That's obviously helping me. I'm going to stick with this today. I was going to have a go at sorting the monitor on this Pleiades, or Pleiades. But I'm in a pinball mood today, so I'm going to keep on working on that. I'd like to get the lights working. I really want to work out what's going on there. The bulbs are fine, so it's obviously something. One problem is my multimeter's just broke this morning, so I could do with checking like continuity and stuff. But I've got the diagram, so I'll break out what circuit that's on. I'll double check all the fuses, and hopefully we'll be able to have an update later on. Okay guys, it's been an absolute pleasure, and I'll speak to you later.